The times are changing, and so is the world around you. At CBM University, we help you prepare for the future, like we have with more than 10 lakh students. Come, join the educational legacy of 75 years. CBM University, enlightening the future generations.
Good morning to all. Respected Honorable President CBM University, Honorable Director General CBM University, Principal EDIT, all the head of the department, faculties, and my dear participant. I, Professor Dhaval Taylor, co-coordinator of this FDP, extend a very sincere warm welcome to all the you present here in inaugural function of 5-day FDP on electrical vehicle technologies and challenges. Every morning brings us a new thoughts, new words, new strength, and endless possibility. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, we start this function with the prayer. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Hardik Shah, Head of the Electrical Department, EDIT, to brief about department.
Namaskar. A very good morning to one and all. Respected Sri Engineer Bhikubhai B. Patel, President CBM University, Sri Manishbhai Patel, Vice President CBM, Professor Dr. P. M. Udani Sir, Director General CBM University, Dr. Vishal Singh Sir, Principal ADIT, all the head of the departments, Dr. K.J. Chudasma, Coordinator of the Faculty Development Program, Professor Dhaval Taylor and Professor Jigar Mistry, co-coordinator of the Faculty Development Program, all the head of the departments, and all my dear participants. On behalf of Electrical Engineering Department, A.D. Patel Institute of Technology, a constituent college of CBM University, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Gujarat, myself, Dr. Hardik Shah, welcome you all for Atal Faculty Development Program on a very recent and emerging area of electrical vehicle. Department of Electrical Engineering is established in 2001. Electrical department have experienced and well qualified faculty members. Electrical department is equipped with 7 full-fledged laboratories of worth rupees 1.25 crores. Some of the major equipments are numerical based relays, MICOM 127, P632, P220, P341, impulse generator, relay testing panels, DSOs, MSOs, power measurement panels, synchronizing panels, cut section models of all the types of motors and generators, along with all the license software of PSCAD, MyPower, MATLAB, PSYNC, PSpice, and many more. Department have received NB accreditation from 2009 to 2012 and also from 2019 to 2022. Department is engaged in providing the faculty development program, skill development program for the students and the faculty members. Department have received the grant of more than rupees 40 lakhs from the different funding agencies like AICT, DST, SSIP, Gujcos, and many more. I hope this FDP, which is in association with AICT, Atal platform, will help all the participants to gain the knowledge, to brush up their knowledge. It will also encourage all the participants to provide and to develop the infrastructure in electrical vehicle, electrical charging system, as well as for the development of electrical vehicle technologies. This FDP will enlighten with the eminent speaker from the IITs, NITs, and from some premier institute. I wish all the success to all the participants, and I hope you will learn many things and you will aware. It will encourage for you to innovate and research. Thank you all.
Thank you, Adi sir, to brief about our electrical department. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Kalpesh Chudasama sir, coordinator of FDP, to give introduction about the FDP.
Good morning, all. President CVMU Sri Engineer Bhikubai Patel sir, Vice President Sri Manish Bhai Patel sir, Secretary, Honorary Secretary Dr. S.G. Patel sir, Director General Professor Dr. Prabhu Kumar Udani sir, Principal ADIT, distinguished speakers, and my colleague faculty members of ADIT and dear participants. A very good morning again. Electrical vehicles are an important part of meeting world's global goals on climate change. Research has shown that electric cars are better for the environment as they emit fewer greenhouse gases and air pollutants than petrol or diesel cars. The shift to electrical vehicle is being driven by a need to reduce air pollution, reduction of India's oil import bill, and to increase energy security of the country. Vehicle to grid is another important aspect in energy security, renewable energy, and giving a great impact to deal with the global warming issues. So electrical vehicles, hybrid electrical vehicles, plug-in hybrid electrical vehicles are capable of increasing the fuel economy of vehicles, no doubt with an increasing cost of buying presently compared to traditional vehicles. But in general, there are decreased consumption of petroleum and increased productivity offers economic benefit to buyers, society, automakers, policymakers over the lifetime. The main objective of this FDP are to develop skills to solve limitations and issues of electric mobility, to create best research environment in the field of electrical vehicle technology, to develop talent and encourage entrepreneurship for future EV industries. All speakers are from various reputed institutions, as our HOD said. And this FDP is designed in such a way that it will cover the all aspects related with the EV, like different types of electrical vehicles and their comparisons, requirement of various converters and control of EV, development of battery charger and charging infrastructure development, challenges against electrical vehicles infrastructure design, electrical motor technologies used in EV, motor controller design using MATLAB, battery management system, opportunities and technological challenges for implementing EV in India, and one session for yoga, which is now highly needed in present pandemic time. It is kind request to all participants to attend all lectures. As you know, as per Atal guidelines, 80% attendance are must and clearing the final test with 60%. On Saturdays, test of FDP will be conducted, followed by valedictory program. All participants again requested to attend all sessions and test with our assigned ID of MS Team logging to you. I hope you will able to extract maximum knowledge of this demanding area from this FDP and able to solve all your queries related with this EV Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chudasma sir, to brief about the FDP. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Vishal Singh, Principal ADIT, to address participants.
A very good morning to one and all. I welcome President of CVM University, Engineer Bhikubhai Patel sir. I welcome Director General, CVM University, Dr. Praful Kumar Udane. I welcome all the directors, principals, head of departments, professors, faculty members, and dear participants from different states of India. A.D. Patel Institute of Technology is a constituent college of CVM University located in central part of Gujarat, the birthplace of Iron Man of India, Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I am thankful to AICT and Atal Academy for giving us the opportunity to conduct FDP on electric vehicles. Sustainability of energy is one of the important challenges of our time. Transportation sector is one of the major consumer of energy. Rising pollution levels, increasing fuel costs on one side, and reduction in cost of energy from solar PV and increased electrical storage capabilities and new technologies have opened the new opportunity in the domain of electric vehicles. European Union has announced migration to electric vehicles from 2030, which is a great change. Indian government has very active policy in this particular sector. At ADIT, Electrical and Automobile Department have developed electric vehicles, two-wheeler and four-wheeler both, since many years and won many national level awards. For clean and greener tomorrow, electric vehicles is the ray of hope for all of us. Latest technologies and challenges related to electric vehicles will be discussed by eminent experts. I hope all the participants will get benefited from this initiative. I wish all the best to the coordinators. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Principal sir, to brief about the importance of electrical vehicle in the future to our participants. Now, I would like to invite Dr. PM Udane sir, Director General of CVM University, to address the participants. Sir, your mic is mute.
Sorry. Engineer Bhikubhai Patel Sahab, President CVM University, Principal Vishal Singh, ADIT Principal Vishal Singh, all my faculty colleagues and all dear participants. Say higher education system or university education has to respond to the call of industry, call of the government policies, and what are the future requirement of human resources in education ecosystem. So this is the right direction. Government policy is moving towards electrical vehicle technology. Anyway, we are much behind compared to our South Asian countries, maybe Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore. All they have advanced much in this technology adoption. But in Indian context, definitely government policies are favoring. That is a positive trigger. We have to reduce our import bill of oil. And definitely, as far as Indian systems are concerned, 75% of our vehicle is two-wheeler. In advanced countries, two-wheelers are little less. Asian countries, two-wheeler is dominating in an electrical vehicle scenario. Foreign countries, advanced Germany, Japan, China, they have big vehicles, four-wheeler and three-wheeler. So we need to concentrate on what can be achieved in a 2 to 5 years time frame in a two-wheeler technology. Many startups have done the job and those vehicles are moving on the road. Maybe 4,000 vehicles are moving on the road, which are developed by our Indian startup. And much thing is happening. We also have started thinking to offer a minor degree in EV design. we have taken a serious decision. As I said in the beginning, our education system has to echo what is happening in industry, what is happening in what is government policy. So accordingly, we have taken a serious decision from this academic year. In a few program, we are going to offer a minor degree with this specialization, electrical vehicle design. The major difference is powertrain only. Otherwise, in 4 vehicle, all other component will remain same. But powertrain is a different issue, right from battery technology to converter, inverter, motors and everything. Definitely there are scopes available. And in today's software environment, everything is not required to be experimented with hardware technology. MATLAB is so powerful and so many plugins are available. Using MATLAB itself, you can do all kind of a simulation, whether related to motor, converter, battery management software, powertrain, what kind of a surge will be created, whether Indian continent temperature is very high. If you do the fast charging, what are the battery life, what is the reduction battery life? Many issues are there, and everything can happen through MATLAB only. And all engineering institutions we have MATLAB. If we don't have an additional plugin, definitely we have to purchase those plugins so that our student can be benefited. So this will be a good beginning, and whatever we have planned to offer a 1820 degree, 1820 credit, a minor degree in a, with few major program, maybe in electrical discipline, in automobile discipline, mechanical discipline. So this is a right move, and I congratulate Team ADIT for planning and moving for this 5 days FDP. This is the first step. And I congratulate all the team members who have contributed in planning and execution of this 5 days FDP. Also, congratulations to all the participants who have joined, considering the kind of policy decisions government has taken, the kind of initiative government has taken. At least some of my input would be, at least one speaker can talk about what are the startup doing in this arena. Most of the speakers are from the academic institutions, but if time permits, if something can be deliberated and what initiative startup has taken in the country, across the country, and in Indian continent, we have problem of a material, because in any technology, battery is the hardest component of this technology. 40% cost goes in material, 30% in sales and 30% in packs. We are doing very well in packs. But in material, definitely we have to go for another kind of technology which is based on aluminum. And we have a tie-up with Israel Major, and a lot of work is getting done. Mahindra has rolled out a aluminum air battery also. So startup ecosystem is also contributing very well. So somewhere a glimpse can be given so that it will give more impetus, more inspiration to the participants. So I wish great success for this 5 days FDP. And we'll continue to do few more FDP so that we are doing capacity building for our faculty members, and finally it will be translated into teaching learning process. So once again, I welcome you all on behalf of CVM University and wish a great success for this FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Udane sir, for your blessing as well as the advice which create an interest of participant in this FDP. Now, I would like to introduce our chairman, Sri Bhikhubai Patel. Despite a moderate family background, engineer Sri Bhikhubai B. Patel achieved newer heights in his education, business and social life. He did his bachelor in civil engineering from BVM Engineering College in 1974. His philanthropic engagement has changed several lives and strengthened many organizations engaged in a social welfare. For more than 2 decades, he has been a president of Sri Vansol Satyavis Patidar Samaj, and his noteworthy social contribution, including the social activity like Samuh Lagna, awards, scholarship to the bright students, as well as innovation in the field of farming, women empowerment, youth development, and culture activity center, etc. His touch with the academy and his passion for the same is reflected in his association with the several education trusts like Vadodara Education Trust, Sardar Patel Federation, and Sardar Patel University. Since 21st February 2018, Engineer Sri Bhikhubai Patel has been serving Charotar Vidya Mandal as a chairman, and he caused many positive changes in his 50 institute, rendering education from KG to PG and PhD. His vision of an ideal university has promoted him 2. Solicit the status of the state private university named the CVM University, which has been recently approved by the government Gujarat. As a chairman and president, he has been leading a CVM and CVM University respectively with a vision and strong personal value and ethics. Sir, I feel privileged to invite you to bestow upon us your blessing and lead today's journey with your presidential address. So I request Bhikhu sir.
Good morning to all on this platform. The transition towards electric vehicle offer India with an opportunity to improve efficiency and transform the transportation sector and address major issues like energy, security, balance of payments, global warming, and air pollution. The Government of India has formulated National Electric Mobility Mission 2020 to encourage the progressive introduction of reliable and affordable electrical vehicles. Government of Gujarat has announced e-vehicle policy 2021 for promotion of electrical vehicles in Gujarat. CVM University encourage initiative like this program to promote ecosystem of learning and development in the field of electrical vehicle. I wish you success of this seminar. Thank you. Jai Sardar, Jai Vidyanagar.
Uh, Thank you, sir, for your blessing. Now it is my pleasure to express the sense of gratification to all the dignitaries. Let us grab this moment to express our heartfelt thanks to the most respectable person, Sri Bhikubai Patel, Chairman, CV University. It is your confidence in us that make us the stride forward every moment. Sir, with your consistent support and guidance, we encourage you, we ensure you to accomplish a new achievement. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to extend our vote of thanks to Sri Manish Bhai Patel, sir, Vice President, CV University, Dr. S.D. Patel, sir, Honorable Secretary, CV University, and Dr. P.M. Udane, sir, Director General, for being a torch barrier for us. I would like to thank AICT Training and Learning Academy for providing us a platform and granting to conducting this FDP. It is due to your cooperation and the program is about the launch today. Thank you so much once again. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Vishal Singh sir, Principal ADIT, and Dr. Hardik Shah, Head of the Electrical Department, having a faith in us and galvanizing to meet the excellent every time. I would also like to congratulate and thanks Dr. Kalpesh Chudasma, coordinator of FDP. Your sincere effort and hard work make it possible selection of the FDP in Atal and smooth functioning of the program. Uh, I am very much thankful to all and am I the speaker of the FDP being present in inaugural function. Thank you, Professor Jigar Mistry, my colleagues program committee member, for putting full effort for the FDP execution. I would like to thank everyone who is directly or indirectly involved into it to make it successful. Thank you all the participants for being there with us on the board. Here I am announcing the closure of our FDP inaugural function. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
And I request all the participants, please stay on this link. Our first session is start within 5 to 6 minutes.
Hello, sir.